Hey Professor, I just wanted to show that I've literally tried everything to get this lab to work and I can't get it to work. I can't get it to serve the Cali IP address. I want to say I'd like to walk it over step by step with you just to show that I've pretty much done everything. So everything's installed. I'm on where am I right now? I'm gonna just go step by step. Okay, so I looked up the Google IP address, which is ns lookup. I know the IP is by heart now. Dot google.com. The IP address is this number right here, and then we have to put that into a text file called dns.text. Not just the IP. Cat dns.text. How silly of me. So we have this IP address right here, matches it, and then www.google.com. It's inside of dns.text. The next thing we could do is an IPA to see the interface. It's going to be enp0s3 like in the instructions, and then we could run this command right here. Let me actually clear this terminal so it doesn't look so messy. We run the command, which is sudo DNS spoof. So it's supposed to be a little I, the interface, which we have, F, and then the actual document we made, the doc. And then if we go to our Windows machine, we could actually see that it's configured correctly, like quadruple checked. Let's do an IP config right here. I think I already have it. So we'll wait a little bit. So hopefully it works. Probably won't. So we go to our Windows machine. I think it's already open. And we wanted to have what did it say here? We wanted the following DNS server address. The DNS server address for our Ubuntu machine. So right now it's listening, but I think we already ran a IPA, which is 192. Here's the IP 192.168.22.9. So all of that is correct. Hit OK. Close out of that. So if we run nslookup.google.com, it will actually pop up in the Ubuntu one, and it also shows up in the Kali one. Sorry, I've been at this for hours. So I think the next step is the nslookup.google.com. So we do have it saved here. nslookup.google.com. It's gonna show up here with the Kali machine. We'll get some text. We run that. As we can see, it's here, and it even so this is the address of my Kali machine, and I don't know what this address is. It's different than the one. Is that the one we put in? Did that work? No way that worked. I mean, I'm not gonna get excited because it's not gonna work for the. Yeah, so it's 142.251.32.36. Okay, that worked for the Ubuntu one. So the next step is because I've had this. I know for sure I have this set up. So now we're going to Kali, and instead we're gonna replace the IP with the IP address of the one with the Kali. We're gonna replace it with Kali's IP address. God, I cannot speak. I have three terminals open. The ones I'm using. How do I make another one? So I'll make another one just to show you. So here we're gonna do cat dns.text. As we can see, we're in IPA. The IP address for Kali is 192.168.222.239, which is exactly what it is here. And then it's going to be www.google.com inside of dns.text. And then here it wants us to, I think, to make it be able to forward IPs. If we do cat slash proc, because I already said it. We just want to see what it is. It's supposed to be a one slash net slash ipv4 slash ip underscore forward. This value is going to be a one, which it is because it's on. Okay, so there's that. So we can actually close this terminal. This is just like showing you the instructions kind of terminal. And then we're going to do sudo arpspoof-t and then my Windows IP address. I think I have it set up in one of these. That's my Ubuntu IP address. I know them by heart now. This is my. No, that one's not it. That's going to be the one we run at the end. This guy right here. So my Windows IP address is, I can actually pull it up to show you, just to show you that it's actually set up correct. I'm going to do an IP config. As we can see, it's 192.168, we're looking right here, .22.16. So there's that one. And I think I have my IP address of Ubuntu here as well, which is 192.168.22-9. So it's going to be the Windows one first. It's going to be so funny if it works. It won't work. The Windows one first and followed by Ubuntu. So we're going to run that. And then, so we're running that guy. There should be another one. That one's already running. It's not that one. This guy right here. So now we're going to do our Ubuntu one first, and then our Windows one. So we're going to run that. And then we're going to do an IPA. I already did that up here. To get the interface is ETH0. As we can see up here, we're going to do a sudo arp spoof. I'm looking at right here, dash little lowercase I, the interface, and the DNS.txt, so I kind of already showed. So now we're going to run that. So it actually shows up here. It just doesn't serve the correct IP address. Or it didn't. It kind of did for the other one, which it normally doesn't. And then we're going to go to the Windows one. And then we're going to do... So if we look at Kali, let me have them all up on screen. So it's going to be listening here like in the Ubuntu one. And there. So as we could see, we're going to run it in SL lookup at google.com, right? Okay, Windows making me look bad. As we can see, it shows up here in the Kali machine, and then it shows up again in the oh, I think that actually worked. That's actually so funny. That's so funny. No, that's so funny. No, that's so funny.